ICI and the DPWH are submitting a joint referral to the Office of the Ombudsman, submitting evidence against 7 congressmen and 1 former congressman, namely former Representative Zaldico, Representative Edwin Garjola, Representative Jojo Ang, Representative Journey Jet Nisay, Representative Agustina Pancho, Representative Joseph Jojo Lara, Representative Francisco Matugas, at Representative Noel Rivera. Ito po ay sa kadeganang sila po ay meron po kaming pinipresentang ebidensya na sila din ay may pag-aari ng mga construction company na merong mga iba't ibang kontrata sa DPWH. Ito po ang ebidensya na isusumiti natin at ang iba't iba pong mga kontrata, no, ng mga construction company ng mga personalities na minention po namin. At dahil po dito, meron po kaming rinirekomenda, ang ICI at ang DPWH ay nagrekomenda sa ating Honorable Ombudsman na ng mga posibleng mga kaso laban sa 8 katauhang ito, kasama si former Congressman Zaldico. Number 1, violation of Republic Act 7080 or the act defining and penalizing the crime of plunder. Violations of Section 3, B, E, and H of Republic Act 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. Violation of Article 210 of the Revised Penal Code on direct bribery. Violation of Republic Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials. Ito po yung conflict of interest. At violation din po ng Government Procurement Reform Act at violation of Article 6, Section 14 of the 1987 Constitution. So yun po, mahal na Ombudsman, ang sinusumiti namin ngayon sa inyong tanggapan.